channel, Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And thanks to all of my returning subscribers. I truly appreciate you. And I'm just love that we are growing our tribe. Okay, because sis is here for it. And if you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you as well. And just go ahead and stick around because we got some good stuff coming up. All right, guys, so I'm going to be doing a little different video. It's going to be a sit down video, honey, because listen, we are talking about some of the spring and summer trends for 2022. And baby, the trends are bringing the heat. So let's talk about them. Let's talk about some of the ones that I'll be incorporating in my wardrobe and some of the ones that you just can't avoid seeing on the runway, in streetwear, Instagram, everywhere. And by the way, speaking of Instagram, if you are not following me over on the gram, please do. All the fun happens over on the gram at Traylene Danita. So like I said, this is going to be a sit down video. So grab your tea, your coffee, your iced coffee, your latte, whatever it is that you're sipping on. Your girl has her water, because I'm drinking my water and minding my business over here with these summer trends, because it's live. It's live for 2022, okay? So let's just get into it. There are so many trends that's really hitting this season for spring and summer, but I'm just going to be touching on 5 that I know that I'm going to be incorporating into my wardrobe. All right, and I got my little notes here because I need to refer to my notes. I just want to make sure I'm covering all my bases. All right, so for the first trend, let's just jump right into it. The first trend for spring and summer 2022 is color. If you have not seen color everywhere, you have been living under a rock. Listen, let me tell you something. The beige and the neutral tones, that is so COVID-19, okay? We are outside, the girls are outside, the people are outside, and we into this color. Let me tell you, all of the stores, we had our Zara bringing out all of the colors. We had our bolds, we had our yellows, we had our lime greens, our pinks, our blues. Every color that you could imagine in the rainbow is in this season. So my tip for you for color, pick one that you love and go with it. If you are adventurous like moi, because I love every color, I will wear every color in the rainbow, hence the shirt color. Listen, get into some of these highlighter colors. We're talking about highlighter green, highlighter orange, even the pinks. Get into it. And I'm going to be popping up some inspiration pictures just to give you idea of what I'm talking about and how you can actually pair some of those color combinations together. Because listen, this season, the color is not for the weak. Either you go bold or you go home, all right? So bring in the color. But some of the main colors for this season that I'm noticing, okay, and this color has been around for a while, it is the color green, all right? Us girls in the influencer world or all over the world, we like to call that the Bottega green, all right? You know which green I'm talking about. It's that rich emerald green that we just love to see. If you are not a girl who normally would wear green, I say go ahead and venture out, sis, and get you something small. If you're scared with introducing color into your wardrobe and you just don't know how to do it, you don't want to be as bold, I recommend maybe adding maybe a pair of shoes or a purse or maybe some jewelry just to introduce the color into your wardrobe, okay? So don't be scared. I know. If you're not into color, I get it, all right? We need to pull y'all out that beige, that whole beige neutral thing, okay? It's still around, but we need that color in your life, okay, baby? Another color that I have been seeing a lot of is pink. Okay, if you don't know me by now, everybody knows that pink is my favorite color. So I am so loving this trend. Pink is everywhere. You know, it's funny, a lot of people are not into pink, but all shades of pink are allowed, okay, for this season. So you can get some of your hot pink, you can get some of your fuchsia pink, even some of the softer pinks like your baby pinks are even allowed for this season. So if you're feeling a little shy with like the neon or the fuchsia pink, I just say dabble in with some of the baby pink, you know, walk your way into there before you can run. But I definitely recommend trying out some of that color, pulling some of that color into your wardrobe for this season. The next trend that we're just into, and this trend has been around for the last 2 seasons, it is the oversized trend. Okay, so we're still in love with the oversized blazers. We're still in love with the oversized shirts. Like, all of that is still a vibe. But this season, have you noticed the oversized jeans, honey? Okay, we are into the 90s and 80s baggy, slouchy jeans. Okay, if you don't have a pair of the oversized kind of slouchy style jeans, you got to get into it. You got to get into it. There's so many variations of this style that you can introduce into your wardrobe. There is the mom jean style, and then there's the crop style. I encourage you to go ahead and try the jean style. It's, to be honest with you, it's really, really comfortable. And not to say that the skinny jean is going away, not so much, but you're going to be seeing more baggy and slouchy jeans for spring and summer. But for the oversized, we're still into the blazers. For blazers, a lot of the retailers are just selling them oversized. But if you want to introduce this trend into your style or into your wardrobe and you're not really sure about that, I definitely recommend going the thrift route. You can find some amazing blazers in the men's section of the thrift store to kind of try out this trend to see if you're really, really into it. As well as the oversized shirt, the oversized button-down shirt. You can actually venture into the thrift stores as well. You know, scour that men's section to see which colors are you into. You know, if you want to start out mild with some white and some beiges, go there. But if you luck up and see a colored shirt at the thrift, pick it up, okay? Pick it up and thank me later. So you can't go wrong with this oversized trend. I mean, it's everywhere. It's in our blazers, it's in our shirts, it's in our jeans. So oversized trend is still hanging around with us. So definitely try out the oversized trend. The next trend that is just all over, and I'm kind of surprised but not surprised, but suits, okay? We're talking about suits. Okay, and when we're talking about suits, we're actually overlapping another trend. We're talking colored suits. Okay, suits are the trend. All right, if you don't have a suit in your wardrobe, sis, what you waiting for? Okay, Zara just came out with their whole line of their suits with the jacket and pants. And one thing about Zara, they do suits well. So when you see a suit in Zara, I definitely recommend you picking it up real quick because they sell out so fast. But the suits for this season, they are coming in all shades, shapes, and colors. The benefit though with any suit in your wardrobe, you can break it up. You can wear the jacket. If you're buying it oversized, you can wear it along with some jeans. For the pants, you can wear it along with a top, or you can wear it together. There's so many ways to work a suit into your wardrobe, and it's just a staple piece that you will have in your wardrobe for years to come. So if you're looking to do any of the trends for this season, I recommend you investing into a well-fitted suit. Now, don't be discouraged if you find a suit that doesn't fit you perfectly. If it is made well, it is worth the money to go ahead and get it tailored to your size just so you can have that into your wardrobe. So for this trend, the suits trend, get into it. It is a bang for your buck because it's like you're getting almost 3 to 5 outfits out of one item. Okay, so get into the suits. If you're adventurous like I, you can kind of dabble into a color suit, but if not, we can mellow it out, but definitely get into the suits because they are definitely in for the season. Next up, mini bags. So I was on the fence about this trend, and then I kind of fell into it. Okay, it kind of grew on me like a fungus because I am a girl that has a lot of junk in her purse. So I know for me, my day-to-day stuff that needs to go in my purse is not going to fit in one of those like mini bags or mini totes. But Assist has reconsidered. Okay, I have minimized my life down to fit into one of these mini bags. I actually ventured out and I picked up the Coach Tabby Mini, and every influencer had this bag last season. Okay, so I bit the bullet and I got it, and I have to say that I love it. Okay, so for me, I am definitely going to be venturing out and probably getting more mini bags. They're just very minimal. Okay, we're at a point where everything is minimal now, but bold. All right, if you're going to get a mini bag, I definitely recommend some of those in the bold colors like I mentioned earlier. Some of the colors for spring, there's green, they even have yellows and oranges. Jack Moose has a great line of mini bags that are just cute. Balenciaga has a few that I had my eye on. I'm just trying to figure out if this is a trend that I would like to invest in, but for right now, the Coach Tabby will work for me. And so yes, the mini bag, the mini tote, it's in. Find one that's affordable for you to introduce into your wardrobe. And then if it's something that you want to keep, hey, I say go for it. Final trend that I'm going to mention today is the platform heel, baby. Okay? Get into the platforms. I never thought in a million that I would be into this trend, but I am loving it. I actually have a pair of platforms on my wish list. It is the YSL platforms that I am just loving right now. But if you are not willing to invest that kind of money into this trend, listen, there are all types of dupes out there if you just want to try this out. I am loving the platform trend because, listen, while they might look crazy they can pull a look all the way together, honey, okay? Plus, with the color. We're going back to the color again with the platforms. It is just so cute to pair with the styles and the trends that's happening this season. There are a lot of dupes out there if you want to try this trend out, just to see if this is something that you want to introduce into your wardrobe. For me, I know I want it, so I'm just going to go ahead and get it because I know the price per wear is going to be fine, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and get it. But nonetheless, the platform here, honey, sit you high as to the high. You can be as high as the heavens. All right, the platform heel, get into it. All right, guys, those are the spring and summer trends for 2022 that I'm just going to be introducing into my wardrobe, and then I'm just going to be playing out for this season. Let me know down below if some of these trends you're going to try out or you're already doing, okay? If you're already doing it, girl, I know you out here looking good for the girl. All right, guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.